It was there, so I got it. Here's another Adidas outlet pickup, another Pureboost unboxing, this time of the Noble Green colorway. Let's go! Hi there, MC here for Steel Falcons Gaming, and welcome to another video. As I said in the intro, this is another pickup from the outlet store, Adidas outlet store in Marikina, Riverbanks Mall, and it's another Pureboost, this time in a Noble Green colorway. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So this is the Pureboost size 9 US. The product number is CM8296. The retail price is 6,500 pesos, another 30% discount from the outlet store, so this nets to around $90 again. So let's do the 360 view. This is the view from the top, from the lateral side, medial side, back, and the sole. At regular price in regular Adidas stores and with this unusual colorway, this is apparently slept on. But at 30% discount in outlet stores, this is a gem of a find. Aside from performance, the design itself of this sneaker is good enough for lifestyle use. The main selling point, of course, is the Boost midsole, which is one of the most comfortable, if not the most comfortable midsoles out there in the market today. And this has a very thick boost in here, and compared to a regular Ultra Boost, it's actually much thicker. So you get your money's worth with this shoe. And that's my unboxing of the Pureboost Noble Green. Please click like and subscribe and tune in once again here in Steel Falcons Gaming. MC here, signing off. Peace.